That was a good wee Starbucks again.
Aye. That's it for until the next time we get in the bike.
Gasoline. Oh,
Gloves the other out, I get in there. What fuel do you pin it? Premium.
I'm the same. Full fat.
Yep, full fat.
This doesn't like E10 anyway.
I was just about whatever one of these moves out the road first.
What am I, pump 5?
Shit, I should have been to that one. Too late now.
A few weeks ago we were out with Alex's mate and this biker filled his bike up with diesel, eh?
Oh, ouch. That's the time we're going to Braemar, isn't it?
The good thing is, John, when you're in there talking to the person at the checkout, we can say funny things and make you laugh, eh?
Aye. I'm actually sitting here with both feet flat on the deck. Pump 6, please, sir. Shit. Passcode.
I'm just sitting in the shade.
Right.
She got big tits.
Alright, I'll need the receipt. Thanks very much. There we go. Totally ignored you. Fucking you go and amuse the boys.
Oh no.
You should have said very big.
The big suckers. That's my email came through to say thank you for your payment.
Get on, you fucker, this fucking thing's acting up again. Don't you dare. I've still got a range of 180 mile.
That's because you're a tanker.
I'm glad you said tanker, not wanker.
No, I never said that. You're certainly not that.
Sitting here at 21 degrees and I'm fucking melting, hurry up. Is it warm, is it?
I'm sitting in the shade, eh? I've got brains.
You know, this bike's got everything, but I can't find the aircon.
I thought you were getting that recharged.
The aircon?
Aye.
Fucking used to hurry up.
Get it regassed.
Sorry if you fuckers that do 10,000 miles on one tank of fuel.
I don't.
And I hadn't even filled it up, by the way.
No, you didn't, did you? You only put about 20 quid in it or something.
It does about 420 mile in one tank. So I'd only need to stop at one fucking petrol station for the North Coast 500.
What are you doing, John? Are you putting your makeup on?
I was putting my gloves on. The old guy a break.
What you're putting your lipstick on. Right, Alec, that's us.
No, again. Alex out there in the hot weather.
Aye.
Fucking hell, I've just had fat running my leg.
Kind of rotten that.
What's the works in the
Aye. Isn't it half, eh? That was hot. Hot, hot, hot. Aye, motorway, John. Aye, that was a good wee blast.
Yeah.
I think you've popped all your cherries today, John.
Yeah, more or less.
Aye. That's been a good day.
Hey, I'm fucking sweating now, like.
My boy.
It's so warm on this bike at the moment.
Aye.
Closed all the vents in my jacket and I'm fucking frozen.
Aye. My balls are soaking. I've got fucking base layers on, eh?
Fucking hell, man.
I know.
So you have.
So, I'll be jumping in for a shower when I get home.
The car to set off. Come on. Go forward a bit. Oh, I'm ready to stop. What the fuck?
There we go.
Oh, I had to open the fucking visor, it was melting.
Aye, same here. Aye, I've opened it as well.
I think the last time we done that one shot, we came back, we got to E and it was fucking Baltic.
Yep. Aye, it was.
Fucking melting the day, mate.
And we couldn't see her in front of us with the fog. It was all foggy, I never mind.
That's somebody dumped their old caravans in.
Aye.
Clear? All clear? Yeah.
Aye, we've been lucky with the weather, eh?
Yeah, it's been great.
This bike's had 2 tanks of fuel this weekend.
That's confusing because the sat nav says this is a 60 and the fucking sign says it's a 50. I changed it. That's a 50 now.
They're dropping the speed limits everywhere. Well, that coffee you've been drinking today, John, you're going to be pissing like a fish tonight.
I am getting ready as we drink that, I think.
Aye.
Just stay there.
What's our mileage today so far, Alec?
172. I've got 177. I don't know because I didn't actually set it to look to the left.
There you go, John. We're going to be in about 183. 184 when we get home.
bike?
It is for me, aye. Definitely.
That's good though. Good variety of the day as well.
Aye.
Yeah.
Well, we covered all the roads there.
Unfortunately, it costs you £300 more than anything else.
Aye. Well, it's an investment. You're never going to go wrong with it. And look at how clear the comms are now compared to the start of the journey.
Yeah, yeah, there's huge difference. What the size of your bike compared to mine? It looks fucking huge.
Right.
It looks massive.
That's huge. HGV. It's crazy how it gets the best fucking mile per gallon though, isn't it?
I know, eh?
Yeah. Be careful now.
I always fucking forget.
He needs to get a bleeper in his ear for that.
Either that or Sean toots the horn.
But the bike's been there and comfy, yeah, apart from my arse was killing us. Just
You do need a break every now and again.
absolutely fine.
Aye, that was a bit of a long stretch at that last bit.
Yeah, my fucking bum was killing me. But it's fine now, like, since we had to be resting. It's been absolutely
Aye,
fine.
once you fluff it back up again.
Aye, the ceiling is comfy.
Aye. Because when I done the Euro tour, that's what it was like, because we were in the saddle for hours at a time, eh?
Aye.
And every time I stopped,
Clubhouse is coming on now.
that isn't half, eh? Aye, every time I stopped, I just fluffed up my arse cheeks again, eh? Hey, you think they'd cut the grass here, eh?
Fucking shocking, isn't it?
It isn't half, eh?
That's my head, man.
Absolute disgrace.
Spend all that money.
Well, they're not spending it on the bloody infrastructure.
Aye, they're building 2 new schools, I saw that. Or they're actually demolishing 2 schools and building 1.
Aye, because it's got that concrete, that
The aerated concrete.
aye,
Really need to get their shit sorted with the NHS though.
aye. All of the public services they need to get their act together. Not just local government, central government as well. You want to come back for a coffee first? We'll get a wee brew. Well lads, that was a cracking day out.
Yep.
Thoroughly enjoyed that. And since Alex took his headphones out, or his earphones out, earplugs
No, I'm
out.
listening. I'm listening.
Aye, since you took your earplugs out, you could hear your car door.
Oh.
And yeah, I can hear the car door.
That's worrying though.
Aye.
Seriously.
Aye, 'cause I can hear the car door nae bother, eh?
Oh, I've lost somebody.
I'm
Nope.
going to go and get my ears tested tomorrow.
Yeah.
See if I can.
Aye. Well, I'm going to wrap
I
this.
want to know how fucking mad they are.
I'm going to wrap this video up here. Ta-ta.